Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a new product from Streamlight that we just got in. This is the Streamlight Speedlocker, and it's a portable locking storage container that features a mechanical keypad, as you can see here. And that gives you fast and direct access to your items without the worry of recharging or replacing batteries. The Streamlight Speedlocker is lightweight, it's water resistant, and it's the perfect size for travel. And before I continue, make sure to subscribe to be alerted to new products, discount codes, specials, and how-to videos. So the Speedlocker comes with a TSA approved lock. I'm going to set that aside. And as you can see, there's plenty of room to store your items worry-free wherever you need them. The Speedlocker will hold various compact firearms, knives, and other everyday carry gear. The Speedlocker is not an approved firearm safe. It is the user's responsibility to determine the suitability for the specific situation and need. To set your combination, use the supplied Allen wrench that Streamlight provides to you. I'm not going to open this, I'm going to use my own. But what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the pins. As you can see down there, there are 5 of them, 1 for each finger. And right now I have this set to a 1 and 5 finger combination, but if I want to change that, let's say to a 1, 3, 5, I'm going to take that lower pin, I'm going to loosen it up. Then with my fingers, I'm going to raise it to the top row. And here's what that's going to look like. So I'm going to raise that pin. I took it from here, and I'm going to put that in the top row. And I can finger tighten all of these, but make sure to go back to your Allen wrench and give it a good secure turn without over tightening. You don't want to strip out the head of these screws. And you want those nice and firm, as you can see there. So now I can shut this. I can press all 3 buttons at once, and it's going to open up. Now, for whatever reason, let's say one of the buttons, I can't get my finger to push it all the way down, or I misjudge and I hit a wrong button. It's going to pop up a little bit. If you do the 1, 2, 1, 3, and 5, it'll pop up a little bit, but it will lock into place as you can see here. And if you miscalculate your fingers and you don't get the buttons pushed all the way down, or you push the wrong one, just take your hands on each side, give it a press down, all the keys will pop up, and now we're back to factory settings. So as you can see here, you can add a TSA approved lock, which comes with it, or you can buy a secondary one to add to the other side as well. And you can secure your Speedlocker to a fixed and horizontal object. And as you can see here, this is what you're able to hold. So you can put a compact handgun, a flashlight, a knife, money, change, whatever you feel like you need to protect, keep it in one of these. So these cost $91.06 currently. Prices are subject to change, but if you use code YT10 at checkout, it's only going to cost $81.95. And that includes free shipping. Again, make sure to subscribe to be alerted on new products. Of a matter of fact, manufacturers are starting to announce some new products that will be released at the 2024 SHOT Show in Las Vegas, Nevada in January. Also, like this video as that helps us, and share this with your friends and family who would like this as well. Thank you for watching.